Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Palmetto local and long distance movers near me. To ensure that your move is a success and very smooth to Palmetto, you should always get assistance from a professional moving company like 3 Movers that you can trust. With all our knowledge of local moves around the United States, we would be happy to help you manage everything concerning your move. When you choose us to be your moving company, you will benefit from all the local knowledge we have and have an in-depth understanding of the area you're moving from. Our familiarity with the neighborhood would provide you with valuable insights. If you're thinking of carrying out a long-distance move and planning on carrying it out on your own, you must think again. Long-distance moves are very stressful, and hiring a professional to help you carry out the move is always better. As specialists in long-distance and international moves, we at 3 Movers will ensure your move is seamless. It might be laborious loading and handling all your heavy belongings yourself. This is where we come in. We are trained in the proper lifting techniques to carry out when it comes to different kinds of belongings, and we have all the needed equipment that would be used to handle fragile items. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Palmetto moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.